Hello, my kiddos. Now it's time for the story of sound of letter A. What letter is this? A. What letter is this? A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And what sound of A? Eh, eh, eh. What sound of A? Eh, eh. Repeat with me. Eh, eh. A. So now it's time for the story of sound of letter A. Okay, so are you ready? Now I am going to tell one short story of letter A sound. Okay, so once upon a time, a little girl was there. Who was there? A little girl. Okay, now you can see little girl. Okay, whose name was Annie. What her name? Tell me. What her name? Annie. Annie. What her name? Annie. She climbed up on an apple tree. What was there? Apple tree. You can see apple tree. She was climbed up on apple tree. One ant bite her on ankle. Where is your ankle? Ankle is your body part, na? So show me your ankle. Okay, wow, very good. And she says, eh, 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 eh. Why she says, eh, eh? Something is tickling me. She says, something is tickling me. And she shouts, ah, ah, ah. Yes, this is sound of A. A says, eh, eh, eh. So this is sound of letter A. Now this is story time of letter B. So what letter is here? What letter is here? B. What letter is here? B. B for balloon. B for bear. B for big. B for ball. Ball. Okay. So what sound of B? B. 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 Is it clear? So now I will tell a short story sound of letter B. Bablu the big bear has a big balloon. What he has? Big balloon and a blue ball and a blue ball. When he play with his ball, the ball bounce like ba 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 ba. Okay, so the sound of V is ba ba ba. Yes, B says ba ba ba. You repeat with me ba ba ba. Okay,